Hello everyone, welcome to Fundamentals of Programming. In this movie we will see how we can download Java development kit and install it and configure it. First I will go to google.com and you can use your favorite search engine. My one is Google and I'm typing download JDK and you will see the first hit is from Oracle. It reads Java SE downloads. SE stands for standard edition, and we are also going to use the same. I'm clicking on this. You can see JDK download link here. Give it a click. You will be brought to Java standard edition development kit 15 downloads because the latest version of JDK is 15. I'm scrolling through down to see Windows installer because my computer system is Windows 10 and it is 64-bit edition. Click on this link so that it will start downloading. It asks for the location where you would like to download. I'm choosing Windows folder. I'm creating JDK 15. Save. It might take some time to download. Let me pause the video. Well, the download has completed. Let me go to my Internet Download Manager and find this. So here it's downloaded. The capacity is 163,000 KB plus KB. Right click and run as administrator. Click yes. It starts the Windows installer. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java Standard Edition Development Kit 15.0.1. Click next. It is asking for the location. See program files Java JDK 15.0.1. This is the path. We will use it later. Click next and it starts installation. So Java SE Development Kit 15 64-bit installation is in progress and completed. Click next. Steps to access tutorials. No need for tutorials. We will see here it is confirming JDK has successfully completed its installation into our system. Close it. Now we have just completed the installation. Next is to set up its path. It is called path setting. Before that, let me open this run dialog and type cmd and press enter key, and let me check whether Java is installed. So it says version 15.0.1 is installed. It means if you want to test, this is the way to test. Okay, so we have completed our installation. Thank you so much.